المنى Plastic Products Factory, founded with a vision to become one of the leading piping solutions providers in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and worldwide. Al-Munna is an ISO-certified company, serves potable water, sewage, telecom, energy, gas supply infrastructure, and plumbing industries in the kingdom and global markets, derived from our many years of experience in the plastic industry. Al-Munna Piping Systems meets its clients' diverse requirements by using the best raw materials such as polypropylene, random copolymer, and high-density polyethylene with various sizes and different configuration. Our products range include Al-Munna Piping Systems manufactured under compliance with both German DIN standard and Saudi Arabian SASO standard. Our production undergo multiple control checks to ensure top quality and long service life. Therefore, Al-Munna has been certified from well-known global certification organizations. Our unique combination of experience, industry knowledge, global partnership, and expedited delivery capabilities are all part of our commitment to meet our clients' expectation of increased reliability, better quality, and faster service. As to the commitment of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to diversify the economy and reduce dependence on oil by launching multi-billion development projects, Al-Munna has taken the initiative to expand its manufacturing plants and capacity to achieve 15,000 metric ton per year to cover this expected growth. Al-Munna is committed to support the development and success of our Saudi professionals and technicians. Our professionally trained product specialists are available on site and provide maintenance assistance. There are many challenges in holding the leading position as a manufacturer in the construction industry, and meeting these challenges and expectations require in-depth industry knowledge, strategic planning, world-class experience, and professionalism. As to our awareness of these challenges, we were qualified to be part of the government, semi-government, and private sector projects. Vision, innovation, and passion is our goal.